Good morning, students. Welcome to the another session of our study program. Today, we have to see some fundamentals about the biology. This is interesting fact about the biology. I have given the heading important discoveries in the field of biology. So let us see various scientists associated with the field of biology and discovered so many things. So let us memorize these names and try to understand, because these things are equally important for our competitive exam as well as the any other exam which is taken in school. The first name is Hippocrates, 450 to 370 BC. Use of plants in medicine, he considered as father of medicine. Aristotle, 384 to 320 BC, initiated the study of morphology and classifications of animals. He considered as father of biology. And third scientist is Theophrastus, 370 to 285 BC. Listed 500 plants. Initially, he listed 500 plants. He is considered as the father of botany. And Herophilus, 300 BC, studied animal body methodologically. Initially, Herophilus was the scientist who studied the animal body and their structure. He is called the father of anatomy. And fifth scientist, that is Andreas Vesalius, 1514 to 1564, first time discovered some animals. First time dissected some animals. And sixth one is William Harvey, 1578 to 1657, studied blood circulation. And seventh, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, 1632 to 1723, discovered bacteria. And next scientist, Robert Hooke, 1635 to 1703, studied cork cell. And next scientist who is associated with the field of biology, Carolus Linnaeus, 1707 to 1778, prepared binomial study of classification. And he classified first these animals scientifically, and known as father of taxonomy. And for your information, taxonomy is the branch of science or biology which deals with the naming and systematic position of the animals and plants. Next scientist associated with the field of biology is Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, the period was 1744 to 1829, and propounded the theory of organic evolution. And next scientist, Robert Brown, 1778 to 1858, discovered Brownian movement in protoplasm. So my dear students, let us see the next scientist associated with the field of biology and contributed so many things in the field of biology. Yes. And this next scientist, Matthias Leiden, 1804 to 1881, the Theodor and Swan, these both scientists, Matthias Leiden and Theodor Swan, 1810 to 1881, 1882 propounded cell theory, and Charles Darwin 1809 to 1882 described the theory of natural selection and origin of the species. And next scientist, Gregor John Mendel 1822 to 1884, laws of inheritance. And next scientist, Louis Pasteur, and Louis Pasteur 1822 to 1895, importance of microorganism in causing diseases and fermentation. Alexander Fleming 1881 to 1955 discovered penicillin, and that year was 1929. So my dear student, note these scientists and their discoveries somewhere properly and memorize it. Thank you.